be Nokia some time ago, but really not so many people want to have a Nokia, want their company to be a Nokia now. So now everybody wants to be an Apple, but let's see how long it holds. Maybe 5 years. Also, this will be a very bad idea to be an Apple, but currently now we're looking for the green light to be an Apple. But we want to be Apples actually, also in the Baltic countries. So we have to do something about it. This is one way how to become an Apple. So this is a very interesting slide, which I like very much, but it's actually very offending to Latvia. I'm sorry. This is the European Innovation Scoreboard, actually, as it used to be called. Now it's called Innovation Union Scoreboard, but it's basically the same measure. I've seen this. I worked in Ministry of Economics in Innovation Department, so we were looking at it 10 years ago.